Hello everyone. Today we are diving into this session. Our roadmap for today's session will cover five key areas. Number one, understanding the concept of perspective. Number two, we will dive deep into the provider, patient, payer, and societal views. That is four cost lens. Number three, gap and policy drill. We will be comparing the numbers and drafting headlines. Number four, we will check the understanding about the policy drill and the gap. Now let's frame the lens. In this session, we will explore the cost of a single healthcare service, specifically a 71 US dollar delivery. Looks very different depending on who is looking at it. The main idea is that cost is not fixed, it changes based on perspective. We examine this through four lenses: provider, patient, payer, and societal. By the end, we aim to understand the hidden cost. We will compare perspectives and translate these into insights into policy relevant messages. Now let's start the session. Our primary case study today is 71 USD delivery. Our key objective is we want to uncover the hidden cost drivers and understand their impact on national policies. Our expected outcome is by the end of this hour, we will be able to recalculate unit cost based on different stakeholders and translate those numbers into persuasive policy headlines. And we will highlight the key cost drivers for each stakeholders. So there are three specific skills we are building by this session. Number one, contrast. We will distinguish between who pays for what. Number two, recalculate. We will find the cost and traditional accounting that often misses. Number three, we will turn raw data into actionable recommendations for the decision makers. Let's start a poll. If a delivery is valued 71 USD, how much do you think a National Health Insurance NIHA accountant actually sees or reimburse? You can hold your answers as we explore the first lens. Four cost lenses. Number one, the provider lens. It is the facility view. It tracks direct cash outflows like staff overtime, electricity, and gloves. Number two is the boundary of provider cost. This narrow boundary is crucial for budget negotiation. Managers use it to advocate for resources, but it does not capture the full economic impact of the healthcare delivery. For this delivery, the provider cost is 26 United States dollar. It is important to note that this is a narrow boundary which used for budget negotiations. It excludes donated items or the building capital cost through we impute or estimate the value of donations elsewhere for economic completeness. Now let's look at the family view, which is out of pocket reality. It includes four components. Number one, patient lens. Number two, transport cost. Number two, food and lost wages. Number three, catastrophic expenditure. The cost beyond $5 co-payment, the patient pays 12 USD for transport and 4 USD for the food. So the hidden burden is we must include 30 USD in lost wages for the time spent away from the work. So let's look at the total. This brings the patient to 53 United States dollar. The catastrophic expenditure is often why people avoid going to the hospital until it's too late. As you can see here, the transport cost, food and lost wages cost, and the catastrophic expenditure. Food and lost wages add up to 36 USD. These indirect costs can push families into financial hardship, emphasizing the importance of addressing the full patient burden. The transport cost, which is 12 USD, a substantial barrier for many patients. This highlights the need to consider accessibility in the healthcare policy. These out of pocket costs can lead to catastrophic expenditure, deterring patients from seeking necessary care. This lens reveals the true cost of healthcare from patients' perspective. Now look at the payer NHIA, which only cares about the contracted tariff. The NHIA payer lens reimburses only contracted tariff line items arriving at 26 USD, identical to the provider's cash cost. This parity is international for budget neutrality. This parity is great for budget neutrality, but it is blind to the patient's 53 USD burden or societal benefits. However, this view ignores the patient and societal externalities. It focuses solely on tariff lines item, missing the broader economic impact of healthcare delivery. Now we will look at the societal view, which include full cost plus externalities. Number 1, societal lens. The societal lens sum provider, patient and payer cost plus positive externalities like future tax revenue and avoided complications, which pushes the true economic cost to more than $71 USD. The positive externalities. Positive externalities include future tax contributions from healthy individuals and avoided cost of complications like obstetric fistula. These benefits are often overloaded in traditional costing. So the benchmark for policy is the comprehensive view sets the benchmark for policy priority setting. It highlights the full economic impact of healthcare delivery, guiding resource allocation. Now look at the equity implications. Understanding the societal cost can also reveal equity issues as the burden of healthcare cost falls disproportionately on vulnerable population. Now we will look at the third part, that is gap and policy drill. This visual gap has 4 bars and 1 jump. Let's compare the cost. Visualize the cost gap with a bar chart. Providers showing 26 USD, payer is showing 26 USD, while patient has charged 53 USD, and the societal impact is greater than 71 USD. The sharp rise sparked discussion on why perspective diverge and why cost policy often omits. This is the Ministry of Health view. It sums up everything: provider, patient, payer, and payer cost. The externalities, we also add positive externalities like the future tax revenue. A healthy person will generate the money and save by avoiding complications like obstructive fistula. Let's practice the advocacy. By using the template, if I sit at the stakeholders desk, the biggest cost driver is dash, fill in for each lens and post it in the chat. This exercise convert cost insight into a persuasive policy language. Generate headlines. The participant will generate headlines that captures the essence for each perspective. This will serve as the basis for policy briefs and advocacy efforts. Then we will read some of those headlines generated by our participants, and we will discuss how different perspectives lead to different policy priorities and recommendations. Now let's check the understanding. We have some MCQs for you. Number 1. Which perspective include patient transport? The options are provider, payer, societal, none of the above. The correct answer is societal views. The societal lens captures all the cost, including patient transport. This reinforces that only the societal lens fully accounts for the patient-borne cost. Our second question, the donated cost. So the question is, provider perspective captures donated costs. You need to answer either it is true or false. So the donated goods are imputed in provider's account for the completeness. Even the zero cash items like donations enter economic costing under the provider lens. This ensures the comprehensive view of all resources used in the healthcare delivery. So the answer is true. Provider perspective captures donated goods. So these are some of the questions for societal headline for finance minister. Task number 1, to compose 40 words policy brief headlines from the societal perspective, which aims to convince the Ministry of Finance to substitute rural delivery transport voucher. The key element you need to highlight on return on investment, equity, avoid catastrophic cost. This exercise will bridges today's lens exercise to the next deliverables. So the example headline should be like subsidize rural transport vouchers or to boost equity, avoid catastrophic cost and ensure healthy deliveries. Subsidize rural transport vouchers, boost equity, avoid catastrophic cost and ensure healthy deliveries. So let's recap. By combining all the buckets through four lenses yield a full cost map essential for evidence-based policy. In the next session, we will start bottom-up microcosting to quantify each of those elements. Thank you so much for attending this session.